Before we learn how to convert between different units of area, let us recall how we convert different units of length. Some of the units of length include kilometers, meters, centimeters, and millimeters. To convert from kilometers into meters, we will multiply by 1,000, and therefore the reverse is to divide by 1,000. To convert between meters and centimeters, we will multiply by 100, and the reverse, divide by 100. cm to mm, we will multiply by 10, and then the reverse is to divide by 10. Keep this in mind. Now, if the common units of lengths are kilometers, meters, cm, and mm, it is understood that therefore the common units of area will be kilometers square, meter square, cm square, and mm square. Let us look at these two squares. Do you think the value of the area is the same? Let's investigate. Now, this is a 1 meter by 1 meter square. Do you recall that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters? If that is the case, will a 1 meter by 1 meter square have the same area as a 100 cm by 100 cm square? The answer should be yes. So we have established that they have equal areas. But let's work out the area just to see what the values are. For this square, 1 meter by 1 meter gives its area, which gives us 1 meter square. 100 centimeters times 100 centimeters gives this area, which gives us 10,000 cm square. It is therefore understood now that for a unit of area 1 meter square, it is actually the same as 10,000 cm square. What about this? What if I have a 1 cm square? Can I convert it into mm square? Yes. Let us take a look at it. For 1 cm, we understood that it is equals to 10 mm. So for this 1 cm square, it has the same area as a 10 mm by 10 mm square. The area of this square will be 1 cm times 1 cm, which is 1 cm square. And the area of this square will be 10 mm times 10 mm, which gives us 100 mm square. So the conversion has appeared. 1 cm square is equals to 100 mm square. We can therefore write this down. 1 cm square equals to 100 mm square. Now let's look at some exercises. I'm going to look at question A and C, and you try the rest. For 7.5 meters square, to convert it into cm square, we recall that 1 meter square is equals to 10,000 cm square. So 7.5 meters square will be 7.5 times 10,000, which gives us 75,000 cm square. Now what if we have 111.6 cm square to be changed back into meter square? Well, if you can remember that 1 meter square is equals to 10,000 cm square, then you should be able to infer that 1 cm square is 1 divided by 10,000 meters square. If this is the case, then 111.6 cm square will be equals to 111.6 times 1 over 10,000 meters square. Enter this whole thing into your calculator. Your calculator will be able to tell you that it is equals to 0.01116 meter square.